Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Classes by Poonam Taneja. In my last video, I have taught you momentum conservation principles, some applications. So in this video, I will teach you certain numericals so as to make your numerical skills much better. So, what is given to us in our statement? A 10-gram bullet. It means what is given to us? Mass of bullet. That is 10 gram. But SI unit of mass is kilogram. So we have to convert into kilogram by dividing it with 1000. We may cancel out and convert the result in fraction decimal form, but there is no need because we will do calculation further. A 10-gram bullet is shot from a 5 kilogram gun. It means mass of gun is 5 kilogram with a velocity, means bullet is shot with a velocity of 400 meter per second. Velocity of bullet is 400 meter per second. What is the recoil speed of gun? So velocity of gun is to be find out now. So now we have to find out what is the velocity of gun. What is the formula to find out the velocity of gun? I have taught you in my previous video regarding derivation. Derivation is velocity of gun. I have mentioned that it is the formula you have to learn. Vg, that is equal to minus mb vb upon mg. What is mb? Mass of bullet. That is 10 upon 1000. So as to remove any type of confusion, I have not converted into decimal form. What is velocity of bullet? That is 400. What is the mass of gun? Mass of gun is 5 kilogram. 20 cancel with 20, 10 with 10. It is 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5, that is equal to minus 0.8 meter per second. It means bullet is moving with such a large velocity 400 meter per second, but our gun recoils not with the 1 meter per second but less than 1 meter per second. It means it is just very small velocity. And negative sign is indicating reverse direction, so I am calling it recoil velocity. So question is recoil, reverse direction. Okay, the velocity with which our gun moves in backward direction is recoil. Okay, and the velocity with which bullet is fired, that is known as nozzle velocity, nozzle speed. This one is recoil speed and this one is nozzle speed. Okay students, and next numerical is car A of mass 1500 kilogram. It means mass of car A is 1500 kilogram traveling at 25 meter per second. Velocity is 25 meter per second. It collides with another car. It means there is second one car. Another car of mass 1000 kilogram traveling at 15 meter per second. So velocity of car B is 15 meter per second. They are traveling in same direction. It means first car mass this velocity 25, let along right side, and second car with this velocity let along the same direction. As its velocity is more, so it will collide because they are traveling in the same direction. After collision, velocity of car it means I must mention here u because it is the initial velocity before striking. After collision, velocity of car becomes 20 meter per second. We have to find out velocity of car B. Now, as per the law of conservation of momentum, total momentum remains conserved. It means total momentum before collision. Total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. So what is the total momentum before collision? Mass ma, velocity ua. So it is for first one. Mass mb, velocity ub, mb ub, it is for second one. After collision, final concern, mass ma, velocity va, mass mb, velocity vb. What we have to find out? Only vb. What is ma? That is 1500. What is ua? 25. What is mb? mb is 1000. What is ub? That is 15. ma, again ma, that is 1500. v, final velocity 20 meter per second. mb is 1000. vb is to be find out. Now 25, 15, 375, 00. You may do calculation yourself. 15,000, that is equal to 15 to the 30, 30,000 plus 1000 VB. Now taking 30,000 towards left hand side and subtracting, you will get the result 22500, that is equal to 1000 VB. So what will be the value of VB? VB is equal to 22.5 meter per second. So it is the velocity of car B after striking, after collision. So it is the numerical that is again based on momentum conservation principle, but it is for collision. And the previous numerical that I have told you, it is for firing, bullet firing. In firing, you have to apply this result directly. So you must learn this result so as to avoid any confusion. Now, when two bodies A and B interact means exert force each other. A exert a 10 Newton force on B. It means let it is A, it is B. A exert force of 10 Newton on B towards east. It means let it be east. Then what is the force exerted by B on A? We have to find out. As per given statement, force on B by A. What it is? Force on B by A is equal to 10 Newton, and that is towards east. And from Newton's third law of motion, FAB is equal and opposite to FBA. It means forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So what will be the formula for, what will be the value of FAB? Forces are equal in magnitude. Force will be same. Force on A. Force on A by B is 10 Newton. But negative sign is indicating its reverse direction, opposite direction. So it will be towards west. So equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So it was all about numericals regarding Newton's third law of motion and law of conservation of momentum. So you must do a lot of practice doing NCERT numerical solved or back exercise. If you are facing any query or any problem, you may comment in comment box. I will try to explain the concept and clear your queries. So see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.